Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Holiday, Florida. We manufacture bi-directional waste tanks, and when you Google us, you'll see us show up on the search engines. We're really nicely priced. We don't try to overprice these units. You'll find a lot of them go up to $7,000 a piece. This is all fully guaranteed, highly constructed, high quality constructed with 3 baffles and a migration channel at the bottom. And we got our Flow Easy filter. And it's got its seal, vacuum relief. We'll size this up to any size that you want. We can also make this a 3.5 or a 4-inch for a 56 and a 59 type blower system. So whatever you want us to do, we'll do it. And it's fully compatible with any truck mount that's in the industry right now. The beauty of putting a 3-inch on both sides is that you can interchange inlet and outlet and swap over depending on which side your truck mount receives the inlet from your waste tank. So sometimes the blower would be on that side and the other times it could be on this side. So it makes it a real easy, adaptable, universal fit. So when you call us, we'll set it up for the exact size blower that you have, and then you can decide which side you want to use as your inlet. Another interesting thing is we have a pedestal at the bottom so that your filter basket can go on that as well. So let me go around this machine here, show you on the other side. It's a nice debris basket, all stainless, really well constructed unit. And we have everything here so that in the event that you want your solenoid or you want additional fittings, we can work that into your design as well. We have pump out ready, so everything is pump out ready in the event that you want to put a pump out system on here. You got your drain here, your 2-inch drain with your gate valve. And whatever color that you want, tell us what color you want for your company theme color and we'll make it happen. So call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up on the Truck Mount Store 24/7. Thank you.